Hello all, welcome to Distracker channel. So today we discuss topic about the SEO off page. So first of all, SEO off page, what is the purpose? I can launch any new website or existing website. I have to looking for more traffic on my website. I have to looking for more traffic on website. First of all, people will be writing for SEO on page like a title, description, keyword. That all will be search engine understanding purpose. Search engine understanding purpose. SEO off page will be useful. Off page SEO will help make your website and a video popular on the internet, so we can get more visibility views and the traffic with the on page techniques. Suppose, sir, my website is no on page. How much traffic will be generated by using SEO off page? If SEO on page we can use in your website, SEO off page will be help to ranking your website. SEO off page also will be generating traffic. Compared to SEO on page, off page, both will be good in your website. Your website will be generating for more traffic. Less on page. Suppose people asking question. So I don't have a complete on page. I don't have any on page. With the SEO off page will generate traffic or not. Suppose SEO on page, off page. The traffic is 1,000 per day, suppose. With SEO off page, you get traffic will be maybe 100 or 200 max. So 1,000 to compare 100, 200. So we can decrease the very much of leads. So that is called SEO off page will be help to anyone to generating for referral traffic. So that is mean by any people search in Google, the show off-page SEO refers to anything done outside of your website with the potential to affect search engine ranking purpose. Optimizing your site for off-page SEO means you will have to improve the way that both user and search engines see your site in terms of credibility, authority, popularity, and relevance. So in this one, we have to use the SEO of page. They are all called search engine submission, backlink submission, Google sites, social bookmarkings, classifieds. You know OLX and Quicker. So OLX and Quicker, what is the purpose of using? We can sell bike and car. What does it mean by we can generating classifieds? What is the purpose of sell something? You don't have any website. We can sell something by using OLX. Suppose you sell by car or bike, anything, or sofa, anything, choose any kind of things, the option will be given by the OLX. So the all will be classified. Image optimization. People will be searching some certain conditions or terms, anything. We can show image also will be ranking on Google. That's the purpose of we can do image optimization. The topmost one is called Pinterest. Next one, article posting. How we can prepare article, how to post in the search engine, how we can generating will be traffic, that all will be coming to article submission. There is a Word document, PPT and a PDF format. These are the top websites. Video optimization. How we can creating YouTube channel, how we can make the YouTube videos, video marketing videos, so how we can publish in the videos, how to earning money from the your video marketing channels, that all we can come into the video optimization. There are popular one is YouTube, second one is Daily Motion, number of, and blog commenting, Web 2.0 sites, event creation sites, form posting, and Google Yahoo groups. So this will be very less in your Google Yahoo groups, form posting, and event creation, everything will be here. So nowadays, any question is there about digital marketing. There is a call, option name is called Quora. Is most of the people using for core option. So why we can learn in digital marketing? What is the purpose of digital marketing? This all will be we can given by the into the core option. So depend on question, that will be here. Why learn digital marketing? See here, when you're searching will be here, upgrade, Enreka, migrating. Here, number of websites will be here. Look into this. digital marketing course. See this one. They all are give the information. What is the digital purpose? Why you can learn in digital marketing. So why we can show this all website? They can creating SEO on page wise. We can promote this website by using technology for SEO off page. That all technology will be given by the SEO off page one. So on page, how much we can add it, that all will be promoted by the only that option is called SEO off page. That is called, these are the technologies. First one, search engine submission. That is the purpose of we can using for Google Search Console. This will be most of the people using for Google Search Console option. Each website will be separate options are there. So any services is in Google or not. Copy the URL inspection and search it. It is Google or not. If it is not, requesting index. And this all will be with the login of the Google Search Console. So I have to working for as a freelancer. So which type of website we can selecting for the search engine submission purpose? So that is called, we can go with the entire web website. This website will be given by the search engine crawling purpose. They will be completely search engine crawling purpose. So this will be using for particular people for search engine submission purpose. Here. We can come into this link, add your email address and click for procedure here and submit this option. So these all nothing but we can generating for your link on search engine purpose. The link is not available. How to know this? Copy the URL. You can paste it. URL will be not in Google. So we have to indexing this URL on the using Google Search Console option. So this all process will be given search engine submission. I have to show that please this URL please submit on my Google search engine. Please that will be verified from using for Google Search Console option. This will be third party website. Anything will be verify email address compulsory. Click this one. It is only for free one. So they will go for the all search engines, not only Google. I'm right now is only Google. Other search engine we can submit will be here. This will be third party website. How many websites are there? There are lot of websites are there. How to we can go this one? Free search engine submission. These are the first website here. These are search engine. Just enter the URL, name and email address. Website. So connecting the search engines, the link will indexing will be all will be third party website. This will be indexed with your URL. So previous URL will be not in Google, now will be URL available in Google option. So next, these all will be third party websites. So we can searching will be here and submit will be these websites. Next one, backlink submission. In this purpose, we have the using for manual backlink submission, automatic backlink submission. In this purpose, we have to use option name is called smallseotools.com. In this, you can go to option name is called backlink tool. It is click for backlink maker. But any link you can click that only working for home page purpose. First of all, we can index your home page as a compulsory important. Make a backlink. So this website is generating for automated backlinks. We don't submit for manually. Each website we can log in and we can submit will be not mandatory. Just we can go to this option, backlink maker, copy the URL. I have to generating backlink. So how we can generating backlink? You can see this one. It is not approved. validator33.org check URL Rocketech Solutions. So this website I can indexing my web page URLs. Same like that. Click for it. So these all will be generating for your website referral traffic. So they will indexing will be take some time. Not immediately will be not indexed from the all web pages. See alexa.com site information rocketechsolutions.com. So Alexa will be generating my referral traffic into the my website will be here. What is my traffic? Everything they will show the alexa.com. So these are all nothing but backlinks on your website to generating traffic on the your particular website purpose. This all will be automatic backlinks. Suppose we can go to the manual backlinks. That option will be called Tumblr. Just I'm showing an example. I'm just going to log in here. Here we can promoting text, photo, quote, link, chat, audio, video. So in this one, copy the link. Link will be copied. Immediately, what are the title, description, everything is there. Add your tags. So now click for post with the domain name is compulsory important. Post. So in a Tumblr, anyone open, when clicking this link, they go to my website. In my website, who will be give the referral traffic? The traffic will given by Tumblr. Who will be submit this link? Who are owner are there in website owner? They can submit by link. Why? Because Rocketech Solution suppose is a new website. The in a website traffic purpose, I can contact to the Tumblr website. Sir, why they will be posting is a free of cost? Why? Because they earning money from the different ads. That all ad will be given by the with using for AdSense. So their website will be traffic purpose. They will be promoting other website traffics by using Tumblr. Tumblr is they can't provide any own content. So that all will be promoting other content, earning money from the through ads itself. So that is the reason based on the your promotions and Tumblr will be promoting for your website traffic globally and the US will be. That all will be given by the global will be 119, US state will be 116. This Tumblr will be using most of the persons will be in US. Next will be bookmarkforyou.com. So any web link, we can log in once. Here is the login. Already login is there. Once you click the website link, any URL will once will be submit. That all information will be passed onto this based on the title, description, keywords, right on the capture code. Next, if anybody traffic generated on your website will be here, simple. If anybody coming to book your, sir, only the people who open this website or they can show in Google also. They will show in Google, not only for this website. Every website show on Google normal things. So in this one, they can show our website link anybody searching about the this SEO services in Hyderabad or Isanagar. They can show book your property like this. When people will be click, they go into your website. These all will be generating for referral traffic. So that is all option will be search engine and social bookmarking option. Next one, size.google.com. They will generating traffic from Google site also. So we can, what are the keywords, what are the links that all will be posting along with keywords and promote your website by using will be Google Sites option. Next, classified, same like. So what are the providing services? You can post will be here into the different website. In this one is called Locento.net. This website will be promoting for different ads, particular users. So anything will be here. So that all option will be in this. So first of all, login important. Login with Google. So we can go to the login will be here. So what are my previous ad? This ad will be total matching for the customers and login your particular files are here. So anything you can log in from here and promoting for your particular aspect. So each ad will be shown to customers. So different locations are there. So that location wise you can promoting here. In Hyderabad, so there are number of services. In this other service 999 plus services here is it. So these all will be different services. Education, anything will be given, only option name is classified. There are number of categories will be proposed to the to promote your particular website. Next one is called image optimization. Simple. When people will be searching something, in your website will be showing on Google image options that all will be called image optimization. How we can do this all image optimization? I can give the step by step by the next video. I'll show the complete options. Next one, in image optimization, a lot of websites are there. Next one will article submission. Many people will be searching. There are number of websites will be promoting your articles. So here, click.in, they will promote our content will be here. So see this one. So this all content will be shown to the customers. The click.in is like the content will be promoting for my website to people will be reaching for your business purpose. That all will be given by where for the article submission. There are number of websites. I show an example purpose. I'll show for clicking. There are car issue, SlideShare, author stream. So many websites are there. So how to we can use that websites and how you can promote your particular things here. So here is the option to promote the article will be here. So people reading purpose, here is the things. So these are option will be given by the customers for getting for traffic from your website. How to know this? Okay, this poster for this Pragati Nagar, who will be posting for, they will know about name and promote your content also. So that all will be given by the article submission and PPT PDF submission. In this first website is called SlideShare issue. So this traffic will be generated by the issue website issw.com. So same like that, how we can create the YouTube videos, how will be generating YouTube to website traffic. So what are the panel will be follow for the video making purpose, how to create the channel, YouTube, that all will be discussed on the video optimization part. This famous one is called YouTube will be there. Web 2.0 sites and blog commenting. How we can do the blog commenting, how to use from Wix and Weebly websites, that all will be 2.0 websites. In this website use and how we can build your website and how we generating traffic on your website, that all will be search and how to know the all details. We are learning for the web 2.0 websites, that all will be here. This purpose of keyword building. Okay. We will post each keyword in different web 2.0 sites. In web 2.0 site, we will be create a site R for each keyword, generating for referral traffic purpose. Event creation sites. What are the events you are promoting? That all will be given by the different websites. So these all will be my Mera even last So different websites will be given by the event submission purpose. This will be useful only for who will be handling with the events. I will also supporting for Facebook also, and these are the websites. Next, all will be forum posting. So forum posting purpose, most of the people using for Quora, Nabul.com. These are website will be using to generating traffic from your website. See this all. So this is very important. How we can do this all options. I'll show into one by one into the next class. So these are the very important form posting and event sub creations, Web 2.0, blog commenting, video optimization, PPT and PDF, and article submissions, and image optimization, how we can do the classifieds, social bookmarking, Google site, search and submission and backlink submission. So this all will be show to we can customers for the particular option name is called SEO off page technique. So if we SEO off page, understand always remember this will be generating for referral traffic on your particular website. A is your website. B will generating for A website. So in a B, who will be promoting your content? SEO off page wise, you can promote your website content to B. So anyone content will be read in B website. The comment data will be coming to your website traffic will be A. So that all nothing but SEO off page will be promoting for generating referral traffic on your website based on the SEO on page factors. So these are very important and follow the conditions. Any question about the SEO off page, you can contact my channel. I definitely will be support you how you can optimize each and every page. Please listen carefully. SEO off page technique is more important to getting for traffic on your particular website. That is all nothing but referral traffic. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.